Hey, it's Chris here with Shadetree America. We're out in the workshop again today here, and we're talking about this tool right here. We're talking lighting. As you can tell, I don't have lights on right now. You can see the back corner is kind of dark in the workshop. Reason being is this is the brand new Ryobi 18-volt lantern, 3000 lumen lantern that they have out here, like a floodlight setup. I kept it dark for the reason. I'm going to demonstrate this. I also have clips here at the end you're going to see as this is pitch black dark outside being filmed with the settings against the house. Wham! That's 3000 lumen. That's on high right now. We're using a 3 amp hour battery. Now, mind you, this is not a fully charged battery. You can see 3 bars. Look at the brightness. This is full bore high beam. This is in the middle. That's 1800 lumens. The top one, highest, is 3000. It starts high. It gives you the full beams at the beginning. Your 1800, there's 1000 lumens. That's on low. This is all through a battery pack also. There, it's done. This is hybrid technology. Either power through the household or run a battery. I'm going to leave that on. You'll see that. That thing's amazing. It's lighting up that whole area. That toolbox, it's dark. You can barely see that. That's amazing. So, enough showing you. Let's talk about the specifications on this item. 3 panels. Large panel. These 2 little panels off to the side, they move anywhere you want. You can leave it as a fold-up accordion setup, as a lantern, has a handy case to carry. Just like that. This thing has a setup on the bottom. You can hang it off of nails. You can use like a tripod like I'm using now. Telescope's down here. You hang it on a nail. There you go. You can hang it right off the side wherever you want to go. This thing's awesome. It weighs about 3 pounds or so, and most of it, honestly, is this battery, or is a battery pack. I'm finding by using this, I've used this since I teased this the night I bought it. I'm getting about, with a 4 amp hour battery, regular lithium, basic lithium battery, I get about an hour run per bar. So, give or take probably 4 hours on that. You're looking at probably about, give or take an hour run. So, let's check out the model number. See if I can get a good... That's PCL631. Paul, Charlie, Larry, 631. That's the part number for it. If you're going to look on HomeDepot.com, I'll link it down below like I do any other ones. So, my impressions on this thing, and I've been using it for a few weeks. This thing is awesome. It's a good floodlight setup. You see it here. I'll do it again. Good floodlight area. Good portability. I have light on this side. I have light over here with the panels that move around. This thing here, when I found it at the Home Depot that I was at, they didn't even have a display for it. It was up on the top. I had to ask for assistance. They didn't even have a spot for it. They had 4 on the shelf. The app actually said 3. I was able to find an associate, was able to find it, and I was able to get it. So I think it was like $79, $80. This thing, for being a job site light that is portable and small. I've used this thing outside working underneath vehicles. I've used this thing walking around outside. I've used this quite a bit, even in here in the workshop. This thing is nice. It is very, very bright. It's way brighter than the 400 lumen lights and the 380s that I showed already. And it's a floodlight, you guys. It's floodlight. It's shine, a larger area. You can use this in camping. You can use it fishing. If you're outside working in the farm, underneath a car, this thing is just awesome. It's amazing. And the fact that you have the flexibility of a hybrid setup where you can use the power supply or a battery, this makes it all the worthwhile when it comes to just the durability and the portability. Now, using this light for a long time and long term, I've noticed this panel does get a slight bit warm. Not like to the hot touch or anything. It does get a smidge warm. So be warned on that. That does happen. It's not going to burn you or anything like that. This is not like a halogen bulb or anything like that that gets super hot And they have, you know, cooling ducts on the back. You can see it for this stuff. So it's cool. It got a lot of cooling power. It's amazing. But like I said, it does get a little warm. The fact that it folds up into a little box, this just makes it even more worthwhile. So you guys get a chance, link will be in the description down below. Like I said before, check this thing out. I teased this a few weeks ago, and I might do that with a few other items that I've done in the past and I've done that I'll make a video for. So you guys want any other information on it, leave it down, comment down below. Check it out on their homedepot.com. If you want to go the route and pay a little bit more on eBay, I guess, and probably not get a warranty, you're more than welcome to try that. You want to check Direct Tools Outlet for these, you know, if you want to save a few bucks on either recondition or the other way, you know, any kind of blemishes. I didn't see any when I was at the closest Direct Tools Outlet yesterday, as the day on a Saturday, as the day I was filming this. I didn't see it, so it may not be even available yet online. So, like I said, homedepot.com, link description down below. I've said this quite a few times. So, any questions, like I said, also comment down below. If you think you know somebody, you know, Christmas is coming up. We are, by the time I put this out, it'll probably be November. This is the very end of October right now as me filming this. We got Christmas coming up, another month and a half. You're looking for a Father's Day gift for somebody that's in the Ryobi line. This is actually really nice. If you're not in the Ryobi line, check out my other videos previously. If you're in the Milwaukee, Makita, DeWalt, and stuff like that, maybe you can find an adapter that you can use that battery platform with this also. And any other Ryobi video stuff that I see and I show online. I do have a big tool haul coming up here, a video of it from my trip at Direct Tools Outlet. So if you see something that you like that is involving the Ryobi line and you don't have that item, you know, you don't have the batteries or anything, and you don't want to buy into the battery line, check out the other video, like I said, that you might be interested in be able to buy a battery adapter that can fit that. So, mind you, you are running your own risk when you run something like that, especially with DeWalt. DeWalt has everything run into the item itself and not the battery for the power supply. So, enough of my rambling. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay safe out there. Like I said 3 other times, link in the description down below. Check this thing out. It's awesome. You can see it. That thing's awesome. And it's bright. So, catch you guys next one. Stay safe out there and God bless. So, I'm about 20 feet away from the house here. We're going to try the light out. That's on high, 3000 lumen. You can see it goes pretty far. There's medium. I mean, you can actually see pretty well here. There's low. You can still see it on the camera. You can still see it okay. So, of course, the light's reflecting off the white of the house, but not too shabby.